So question second is write an algorithm that utilizes Bayes theorem for decision making. So algorithm की first step है start. Then second, identify the set of possible classes and events like C1, C2 to Cn for decision making. Third step, collect prior probabilities for each class. Probability of C1, probability of C2 to probability of Cn. Next, collect likelihood values of evidence E for each class. P of E of C1, probability of E by C2 to probability of E by Cn. Then compute marginal probability of evidence P of E equals to sigma P of E upon में C of I into P of Ci for all classes till I. Sixth step, for each class, compute posterior probability using Bayes theorem. Probability of C of I upon E equals to probability of E of Ci into probability of P of Ci whole divided by probability of E. E मतलब evidence. Step 7. Compare all posterior probabilities P of Ci upon E. Select the class with the highest posterior probability as the decision outcome. Next step, display the selected class, and last, stop at 10. Example, crime example. Probability of Dory death equals to 0.12. Probability of Byrne plus marriage less than 7 years divided by Dory death equals to 0.95. Next, probability of Byrne plus marriage less than 7 years upon not equals to 0.08. If both present, 61% chance it is BNS 80 Dory death. Next question is write any suitable algorithm for association rule mining that can print all association rules. So first, assumption, minimum support 5%, confidence 80%. For example, crime rules. Dowry demands equals to yes. Marriage is less than 7 years. Burn injury, BNS 80, configuration 96%. फिर weapon equals to country pistol, land dispute equals to yes. Then BNS 1031, murder 91%. So our input in this data is transaction database D. The minimum support threshold, minimum S underscore SUP sub, minimum confidence threshold, minimum underscore conf, and the output that we get from this data, all association rules that satisfy support is greater than minimum support and confidence is greater than equal to minimum support, and support is also greater than equal to minimum support. So step 1, start. Step 2, input the transactional database. Step 3, set the minimum support and minimum confidence thresholds. Step 4, generate all frequent item sets from the database using a priori property. If an item set is frequent, all of its subsets are also frequent. Step 5, for each frequent item set, generate all possible non-empty subsets. Next step, for each subset S of frequent item set F, first calculate confidence equals to support F upon my support S. Next, B, if confidence is greater than equal to minimum support, then form the rule S belongs to F minus S. Step 7. Store and print all association rules that satisfy confidence thresholds. And lastly, stop the process.